Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OC video. Today we're going to review the brand new Reveal the Steel 4-pack by Spin Master Monster Jam. Well, welcome back everyone to another Monster Jam OC review video for Spin Master. Last time I reviewed the Dirt Squad, which if you guys have not seen that review, I will leave a link to at the end of this video. And today we are reviewing a brand new Reveal the Steel pack. These trucks are the same as the ones I showed you in my previous review with Mix 7. However, a couple of them are actually corrected editions, and this also is a 4-pack, which is different from the 2 packs that I already reviewed. If you guys didn't check out that video, it will also be linked at the end of this video for you guys to watch. Also, I want to thank the Toy Nation who supplied this for me to do reviews with. I really appreciate them doing this for me. Without their help, this would not have happened so soon, and I just want to express my gratitude for them. So if you want to order this pack from their Amazon or their website, I will link in a direct link to this product itself so you guys can check it out. They also have a couple other things that are online or international only, such as the Ground Shaker 3-pack, and I believe they have the Land vs. Sea 4-pack from 2019 as well. And they have this 4-pack for those who may not have found Reveal the Steel yet. I know that it's been very scarce in most areas actually. So if you guys are still wanting to buy or kickstart the Reveal the Steel collection, this is a great opportunity to go on Amazon and check out the Toy Nation, who again supplied the product you're going to see in this video. And we have Gravedigger Max D, Whiplash RW, and Great Clips Mohawk Warrior in this pack. On the sides, we just have Gravedigger with some water, and same thing on this side. And on the back here, you can see the revealed editions. Unlike the other part where it actually had them in their normal paint color, we have the Gravedigger Silver, or Zamac, whatever you want to call it, Max D, same thing, W, and the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. And you can see all of this different all the different languages for this international packaging. And then you can see again, 91 degrees Fahrenheit will change it to the Revealed Steel edition, and then any other temperature below that will slowly change it back or quickly change it back depending on the temperature of the water. And on the top here we have a half revealed Max D and a half revealed Gravedigger. And inside this pack, it's pretty small packaging. We have the actual setup here, which I thought was pretty cool. If I pull these out, they're in this specialized 4-pack bubble thing, which is pretty cool. So you can see it has Gravedigger, Max D, Whiplash, and Great Clips Mohawk Warrior on the bottom. So I guess we'll just hop right into it and start taking them out of the bubble. So here we go. We have the Gravedigger, the Max D Gold, Whiplash W. That one took a little bit longer. And then we have Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. So there they are. And those are the trucks that come in this packaging. We have updated editions of these. These are actually the most recent ones. I received a little bit of some early samples, and you guys may have noticed that in my previous Reveal the Steel video, such as Max D, where I pointed out that Max D was way too bright of a color for what it is. It's supposed to be Gold Max D, and this is the one I received. They did correct that for public release. They changed it to actually be the gold edition, so that's pretty cool. And it appears that Gravedigger did receive the updated tooling. I'm not sure if we'll see this out in the public or not, but I have the one with the door on the side, which is something that we know that they corrected, so this no longer has the passenger side door, which is accurate to the real life truck. And basically that's it. I don't think anything else was corrected because the other ones were actually correct that I received. I'm talking about these two here. But it's cool to see the Gold Max D actually corrected to be the gold color instead of this half gold, half silver tint. That's really cool. And it appears as if this is silver now, or charcoal color, the actual insert decal, instead of black. So that's pretty awesome to see that. So we're going to start this review with the Gravedigger like I did last time. Gravedigger, of course, the most well-known truck in the world. And here is a paper towel so I don't get water all over the place. And we have the warm water above 91 degrees Fahrenheit. It does not have to be hot water. And cold water. I have ice in there. I'm not sure what temperature it is, but I'm sure it's very cold. So warm water to Reveal the Steel. Here we go. And you can see instantly changes color. And if I tap off the water here, you can see it is a revealed edition of Gravedigger. So there is Gravedigger, from this pack, and that's the first one. And if I put it in the cold water, it will change back to its normal paint color, which is black. So there it is, the Gravedigger Reveal the Steel, and that's that one. And then we have the actual Gold Max D this time. So you will see a big difference in the paint color in this go around. So here we go, the revealed Max D. So if I let that sit in there, and there it is, the actual gold revealed Max D. It actually looks like the one, where did it go? Here it is, that I received earlier. So it looks like it goes to a slightly gold tinted silver edition, very similar to the one that's already looks like it's revealed from the older one. So that's the newer one with the silver tint. And then if I change it back to the gold, pretty quickly, it changes back to gold, and that's pretty cool. So there is the gold Max D from this pack as well. And then we have the Whiplash, or the W, which will also change. It's actually my favorite one. I love how it looks when you reveal the blue color to be steel. You can actually see the pinstriping way more on the truck, and that's really awesome. So there it is. Also ignore this. I just noticed I have Expo marker from writing these on the cups. But anyway, here is the W Whiplash with the new paint color. So the steel edition, or I should say no paint color. And I think they should actually make a silver or chrome Whiplash sometime in the real circuit. I think it would be really cool. And then the cold water to bring it back to blue. That is really cold. And here it is, the revealed or unrevealed Whiplash with the classic paint color. So there it is. And then we have the last one here, which is the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior with the new tooling for 2020, the actual accurate Mohawk. And they actually did fix the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior Great Clips sponsor on the hood. It's much more sized properly and actually adjusted correctly. So those are just small things that I'm picking up on. But anyway, here we go. The warm water for the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. And also another really cool one. It actually makes the white ink stand out way more, and the purple tones can totally be seen on this truck. So there is the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior from the 4-pack. And if I change it back here, gotta kind of shake it around, the Mohawk stops it from going all the way down. Here it is, the unrevealed edition. So anyway, that has been the quick Reveal the Steel 4-pack video. I know it's a little shorter than my other typical Spin Master videos, just because there wasn't really anything new to talk about. But I did want to do a review because I knew that the Max D was fixed in this pack, and there's a couple new variations as far as corrections or stuff go with this pack. But those also should be seen in the 2-packs from Mix 7. They should be reaching stores soon. Walmarts, check your Walmarts, Targets eventually. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. Again, huge thank you to the Toy Nation for supplying these trucks. Without them, this review would not have happened as soon as it did. And I really, really appreciate their help with getting me products. And we will definitely be working closer together to get other new products reviewed for Spin Master as soon as they reach their warehouse. So thank you again, Toy Nation. Thank you again to my viewers. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think about these trucks in the comments below. And check out my other Spin Master videos if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan Moss Gym OCD, signing out.